Hey guys, today I actually have another video from Mark from Klep Guinea Pig about Flashcard Machine. So I'm gonna let him do most of the talking behind this. I use flashcards particularly for myself, but I use Quizlet, which I have as an app, so I can make a video on Quizlet too. But I think Quizlet's a great source. I don't really know a ton about Flashcard Machine, so I'm gonna let Mark take all of the credit on this, and I'm gonna give it over to him.
On guys, it's Mark West with Klep Guinea Pig. I am your Klep Guinea Pig coming at you with another video. So I wanted to share something that I feel is very valuable. All right. This is for all my flashcard people. All right. Now there's been tons of studies that have shown flashcards is one of the most effective ways to study, and it's one of my personal favorites. I love making flashcards. All right. But a lot of the times we get tired of buying index cards and filling out a million flashcards. Takes up a whole lot of time, and it can just get boring sometimes, right? Unless you like doing that, unless you like, I know some people like to physically hold flashcards in their hands, and that's perfectly okay. But I wanted to introduce you to a tool that I thought was really cool that a lot of people don't know about, and a lot of people don't know is absolutely free. And that tool is called Flashcard Machine. All right. So come over here and you get to your browser. You're gonna go to Flashcard Machine. That's how it's spelled. And you make an account, open up your account, and you're going to be able to create flashcard sets. All right. So here I've created a new folder and a new set, and I can title my set. Let's say I'm studying for American government, American Gov. All right. Ooh, I did not spell gov with an E. Idiot. All right. I can give a little description. Let's see. Clip exam prep, and I can categorize it. Boom, boom, boom. American Gov. Let's see. It doesn't give me that suggestion, so I'll just put other education level, college, undergrad, undergrad one, and flashcard library. I will enable and save details. Submit. Once I do that, I am ready to start making my flashcards. Now, this site is 100% free. They do offer, they do run off of donations. And they also have a really, really cool app, very interactive, very easy, very simple to use. And I believe they sell that app for like $5.99. Um, it's good for on the go. It works really good on your phone and for your iPad. I love to study flashcards. I study flashcards like before I go to work, if I'm studying for a test or anything like that. So, got a flashcard set up. Can start creating flashcards. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here. So here is just like where you put all your basic information. Here's like where you want to format it. You want to put whatever font you want, however big you want it, colors and all that good stuff. You can share them with your friends and familia. And it's just, man, I just really like this tool, man. The people who created this were really looking out for people like me, and I think it's really cool. So let me see. I believe it was Quick Editor. You want to go to Quick Editor, and it's really simple. You just put, it says term definition. So I mean, you can do this like whichever way is easier for you. Let's just come up with some fun stuff like who was the first oop, president of the U.S. All right. You can do that, or oh, that's term. So I guess technically this should be over here. Definition. No. I'm tripping. I had that right. Then over here we will put George. Once you get the picture, right? Uh, Save. Bam. Cool. And let's say we wanted to put some other stuff over here, blah, 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 and some blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. We like that. We like that. Save that. And basically, you just keep going and keep going. The best way that I find to do this is the copy and paste. So like maybe you're reading some stuff off of Wikipedia, or you got some good resources, or if you watched my other video on modern states, you can have modern states up in one screen, and you can have this up in another screen, and you can copy and paste from the slides or the transcripts on modern states, paste them here, type in your definitions. You can make it as easy as you want, or you can add like some really extensive stuff, defining your terms and all this. Is really good for vocabulary. And if you guys know me, if you watch any of my other videos, you know I'm very, very adamant about vocabulary. I think vocabulary is extremely important. Um, like I always said, knowing vocabulary words on a particular exam will get you those 3 to 4 extra points that you might need just to get over that hurdle. So then we can come back here. We can go back to my sets, and we got 2 flashcards in there, and we can start studying. All right, and the way we do that is we come to the studying multiple sets. Let me see, study multiple. Oh, you know what? No, I went in the wrong place. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna click on our set, and we can do start a regular study session if you want. You can play game. Um, and again, like I said, they have apps for your iPhone, iPad, and all that good stuff. We're going to click start study session. And then you can come over here and you can make it 4D, which I've never played around with that, so I'm not really sure what that does. However you want to sequence it, term, definition, or you want the definition and the term, order, and then you can like flag cards, right? And when you flag cards, it comes over here as all the cards that you flag, meaning like those were the ones you didn't know or you weren't familiar with, and then you can just study those flag cards. So it's like you're going through everything that you know, and the ones you flag, it's like you focus on those the most. So I like that feature that you can isolate the cards. And you just start study session, and then 1, 2, 3, bam, here you go. You got flashcards right on your computer screen. Who was the first president of the United States? You can hit flip, or you can hit your space bar, and it's going to tell you it was George Washington. Then you go to your next card, just keep hitting the space bar, and this gibberish, and then the answer is more gibberish. Alright guys, well I really hope that you found this video helpful. I really do. I think it's a great resource, a great tool. If you guys have any questions, you guys want to reach out to me, need any help with anything, please feel free to do so. Ask at klepguineapig.com. You can also stop by klepguineapig.guru and klepguineapig.com. And also, if you are at klepguineapig.guru, you can sign up for the ability to text me whenever you like if you have any questions, or if you just want some advice or anything. I don't care. I'm accessible. Hit me up.
Also, if you guys could, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Also, go over to Mark's channel, like and subscribe to him as well, for all of his videos, whatever it is. Yeah, and if you want to, go check out the one-year diploma on Amazon. Link is in the description.